Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming support and getting the phone ready. Check that your carrier and plan allow Wi-Fi calling. Without support, this won't work. Once you've verified that, update your phone to the latest OS so settings match carrier expectations. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network because the feature needs a reliable connection. Also enter or confirm your emergency address now. This helps 911 route correctly when you call over Wi-Fi. When ready, move to the phone's calling settings to enable the feature. Now you'll turn it on in the OS. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Phone, then Wi-Fi calling and flip the switch. On most Androids, go to Settings, Connections, then Wi-Fi calling. When prompted, accept carrier terms and confirm your emergency address again if requested. This is why your earlier step matters. If you don't see the option, restart the phone and check the SIM card is inserted and provisioned by the carrier. Once enabled, your phone may show Wi-Fi calling in the status bar to indicate success. Finish by verifying the feature works with a test call and noting call quality. If audio drops or the call falls back to cellular, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, reboot your router and phone, and try the other Wi-Fi band because 4 versus 5 GHz can behave differently. Make sure low power or battery saver modes aren't restricting background connectivity. If problems persist, contact your carrier, give them your device model, OS version, and any error text so they can check provisioning or network side settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.